Flintstones. Meet the Flintstones.
Oh, excuse me, that's my seat.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
All right, excuse me, pardon me, sorry, okay.
Well, what do you know? Del Griffith. I'm with American Light and Fixtures. I sell curtain rings. And you are...
Neil Page.
Neil Page. Pleased to meet you.
Look, I don't want to be rude. I'm just not much of a conversationalist.
Oh, no. You know, the last thing I want to be is an annoying blabbermouth.
Right, yeah.
You know, nothing grinds my gear worse than some chowderhead who won't keep his trap shut. Do you ever watch 60 Minutes? In this 1987 classic, Neil Page and Del Griffith, two complete strangers, are forced into a journey of a lifetime.
When their Thanksgiving Eve flight is cancelled, Neil's frustration and desperation to see his family clashes with Del's geniality and desire for company.
Their journey reviews that. Despite their differences, both struggle reconciling with their emotions.
As a society, we need to raise awareness that it's okay to be emotionally vulnerable.
Because true friends won't judge you, and they will always help carry some of your baggage.
Planes, Trains, and Automobiles by John Hughes. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank
We
you,
left New
bye.
York, and in flight they closed Chicago, and we landed in Wichita. Oh, and on the plane there's this Del Griffith guy. Oh my God. It's like going on a date with a chatty Kathy. Hey, what the hell? That's my bag.
Oh, I'm sorry. Neil?
Not you.
Here. Huh?
Yes, honey. I'll be home as soon as possible. All right. Love you.
Hey, Neil, a little trouble on the home front.
What? Excuse me.
I have a motto. Like your work. Love your wife.
Yeah. I'll keep that in mind. So, what's this flight situation?
Oh, simple. You know, there's no way we're taking off from here tonight.
Oh, shit.
Did you not book a room?
No. All the rooms are booked by now.
See, when we arrived, you called home. I called the Braidwood Inn. You know, I have an idea. If you don't mind a little snoring, you could bunk with me. Ugh, come on, let's go. The moon of Kentucky shine on the one who's gone and left me blue. Ugh, you want to take a shower?
Okay, no thank you, my God. Okay, no. You know, no. I was on my way home to spend a nice holiday with my family, and I said I'm in a hotel with a stranger.
You know, you're not a very tolerant person.
Yeah, well, who talked my ear off on the plane?
And who told you to book a room?
Oh my God.
Out of the goodness of my heart. God, you're an ungrateful jackass.
You're no saint. I mean, come on. Didn't you notice on the plane when you started talking? Eventually, I started reading the vomit bag. I mean, come on. Didn't it give you some sort of clue?
You want to hurt me? Go ahead. Think what you want about me, but I'm not changing. Because I like me. My wife liked me.
Look, I'm sorry. No, I've just been spending way too much time away from home. No, I'm not gonna spend Thanksgiving in Wichita.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I haven't been home in years. Oh, it's a figure of speech, you know. I'm away so much. It's like I'm never even there.
I mean, how can we even get home?
We could get a rental car.
Fine. Okay. All right. Could you not do that with the seat?
Yeah, sorry. Do you want to sing a song?
Look, just sing whatever you like.
Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. They're the modern Stone Age family. From the town of Bedrock, they're a page right out of history. When you're with the Flintstones, you'll have a gay old time! New,
Oh, no.
So, how's your wife doing?
Oh, good. You know, come to think of it, I don't think I've seen you call your wife.
Oh, well, you know, just because you didn't see me doesn't mean I didn't call her. We'll be in Chicago in 3 hours.
Oh, yeah, let's get to that train station.
So, where you headed?
Wilmette. You know, it's been a hell of a trip, but, you did get me home.
Yeah, next time we'll go first class, alright? This you?
Yeah.
Neil, you're a great man. I'm sorry if I caused you any trouble.
Hey, it's fine. You have a nice holiday.
You too. Neil. Give my love to the family.
Yeah, and say hello to your wife for me.
Yeah.
Whew. God, what did I do to get hooked up with that guy?
Well, what do you know? Del Griffith. Yeah, I know. I mean, I haven't been home in years.
No, I haven't seen you call your wife. Wait a minute.
Well, Marie, once again, you were as right as rain, you know. I'm without a doubt the biggest pain in the butt. I meet a guy whose company I really enjoy, and I just went overboard, you know. I smothered the poor soul. I just wish you were here with me right now, but I guess that's just not gonna happen.
Del? What are you doing here?
Neil, just go home.
No, Del, why don't you go home?
Neil, I'm fine. Just go
What's
home.
going on, Del?
Neil, please, just leave me alone. I'm fine.
Del.
Neil, just go home. Just leave me alone. I'm fine. Neil, I'm sorry. Again,
Del.
please just listen to me.
Del.
Just go home. Neil, just listen.
Del, then why don't you go home?
I can't! I don't have a home. Marie's been dead for 8 years. I'm sorry. I think I'll just go in and say hi, and then I'll be on my way. I'll just leave my stuff right here.
No, just come on. Okay.
Thank you.
I'm home. Honey, I'd like you to meet a friend of mine. This is Del Griffith. Del, this is my wife, Susan Page.
Nice to know you. Neil, I just wanted to thank you for letting me be part of your holiday. You know, I've always had a lot to be thankful for, but never more than right now.
Same here, pal.
That was kind of terrible.
What?
You felt like it was good?
I thought that was a perfect run through.
Okay, perfect.